You must not die at this time. Take actions to ensure your safety. Avoid even slight risks to your safety. Do not climb a ladder, walk near a road, handle sharp objects, or drive recklessly. Your death will draw them nearer. They cannot yet enter our reality. Every death that occurs will bring them closer. Their connection to our world will be destroyed, at which time you are permitted to die. Remain completely safe from death at this time. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Secure. Contain. Protect.